Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group on your PC and want to see which users have been removed, especially after the latest update, this guide will walk you through every step. First, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your computer. Once you're in, look for the group where you have admin rights. Click to open that group chat from your list. At the top right corner of the group window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these to open a menu. From the list of options, select Manage Group. This will bring up the group's management settings, giving you access to all the administrative tools you need. Inside the management menu, look for the section labeled Permissions. Click on it to see the various controls you have over group member actions. Here, you'll find a special section called Removed Users. Click on Removed Users to view a list of everyone who has been removed from your group by an admin. This list is important because by default, anyone removed from a Telegram group is also banned and cannot rejoin unless you specifically remove them from this list. If you want to allow someone back into the group, you'll need to delete their entry from the Removed Users section. Once you do, they'll be able to rejoin if they wish. This feature gives you more control over your group's membership and helps you manage who can and cannot return. It's especially useful if someone was removed by mistake or if you've decided to give another chance to a previously banned member. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of removed users and manage your Telegram group more effectively on your PC. Stay tuned for more helpful tips to make the most out of your Telegram experience.